Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be doing an install. We're gonna be installing this blonde wig. Yeah, and guess what we're using? I've been hearing so much about this disposable socks, and so I'm gonna give it a try today. So yeah, and yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and tint the lace with like a makeup, my foundation. So I'm gonna be using 2 shades of foundation because I want it to be darker than my skin tone. So I'm gonna mix a little bit of this with this. And also this wig is from my hair company. Yeah, I just want to try a different color. So, and this is the first time I'm going this blonde. But we're just gonna see what it looks like on me. I'm gonna use this edge booster to gel my hair down. Why does it look like this? Anyway. Oh. Oh. I'm liking it already. This is what we're gonna be using today.
So we're just gonna spray it on the hairline like that and let it dry. You can blow dry it, you can let it dry because this even spray, it dries really fast, even more than got to be. So you just leave it, just spray it and let it dry. You can blow dry it like I'm doing. And then we'll go ahead and cut the lace. Yeah, you just have to be careful while doing this. I'm using the scissors because I can't find my scissors, so. And just be careful with any kind of scissors you're using, and also try to cut it as close as possible. Like what I do is I follow the line of the spray that I've sprayed because the cap is not glued down, so you can just cut it as close to the glue as possible. I hope I'm explaining it right. So yeah, you just cut it off like that. And you apply makeup. So I like to apply a shade darker than my normal shade, so it kind of gives a dark bald look. So yeah, and after I do that, I go ahead and use like alcohol to clean up that excess makeup from my skin so that the glow is gonna stay down. So what I'm doing now is I'm putting the wig on so I know where to trace it, like to cut off that part that is that excessive lace. So yeah, to cut off the excessive lace, and then you can try it on again to see if you're satisfied with the way it looks. I kind of cut it a little bit more than I'm supposed to, but it's fine. And I'm using the even glue as well. And then I'm gonna use like the tweezer, the end part of it, to spread the glue. And make sure the glue has dried, like let it to be, make sure it's clear before you apply another layer. For this install I'm gonna be doing just 2 layers. So I let the first one dry and it's clear, then I apply the next one because this is what is going to give you that clean install. So, and after that I just put the wig on, cut it into 3 to make it easier to install. And then you just use your comb to press the lace down while combing it back, because that's gonna make sure no hair is stuck between the glue while you're putting the lace down. And then I go ahead and tie it down to make sure the lace is glued down. And then you go ahead and cut your lace. You can use like the eyebrows razor, or you can use like a scissors, whichever one. I kind of use both because my scissors, I don't know what happened to it, but yeah, so I had to use this one and another scissors. Yeah. And after cutting the lace off, I realized that there was some part that didn't have enough glue, so I had to put a little bit of glue, and then I went ahead and tied it down. And then I go ahead and use the ebony spray to give it extra hold, and it also helps with melting the lace better, so I use that and then tie it down. Blow dry it if you want. You can let it air dry, whichever one you want. And then I go ahead to use a little bit of concealer to kind of define the part in the middle. And then I'm brushing it out.
This side is just a little bit backward, but it's fine. It's fine. Oh, okay. So I have to tuck that in. Okay, thank you so much for staying to the end. Thank you, and please like and subscribe to support my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thank you.